In this video making silver balls in charcoal, I'm Oliver Christensen. Welcome to Shaping Silver. I'm making a birthday present for my little niece. Well, she's more than 20 and moved out of their house and everything, but she's still littler than me. And I thought I'd tell you a little about charcoal while I work. I'm making some ear studs where the decoration is a simple silver ball. You can make those using some charcoal. You make an indentation the same size as the ball you want. If you need a number of equal size, you can use jump rings as a measure. The coal I have here is not one of the usual blocks you buy for soldering jewelry on. It's a block of charcoal made from Danish oak, organically grown, biodynamic, slightly aerodynamic and handmade. It was manufactured by the Mårum Coal burner guild, used to supply Copenhagen with coal for heating and cooking, but are now a historical guild. They have an annual burning and barbecue, which I attended in the summer. Coal was made in a coal furnace. The heart is the void and the wood is stacked around it. Then hay is added so soil can be used to air tighten the furnace, with the exception of a number of air ducts. The furnace is then lit and the wood dries itself out by controlled burning. The ducts were closed and the fire burned itself out, and after that the coal could be dug out and transported away. For a large furnace this could take 6 or 7 days. The coal is much lighter than the wood, easier to transport and will burn hotter.